Good morning everyone, I am Jack Lemuel from 4C. Today I am going to do a book talk about the book Famous Five, Five to the Demon's Rocks. The characters in this book are Uncle Quentin, Aunt Fanny, Professor Hailing, Tinker, George, Dick, Julian, Anne, and a bunch more characters you will see. In the beginning of the book, their Uncle Quentin rushes towards Kirin Cottage to inform Aunt Fanny about the early arrival of Professor Hailing and his son Tinker. Now, he had forgotten that his daughter and her three cousins were coming. So it was a house full when they came, but he did not know that Tinker was bringing a monkey along with him. Chapter 2 explains about the meeting of all these people and some chaos. Chapter 3 explains how the two animals became friends. And it also mentions a big chaos that had to be discussed in Chapter 4. Chapter 4 explains that Tinker suggested the idea of going to his lighthouse, and it was an adventure. Chapter 5 starts with a big chaos in the kitchen, and it also says that Uncle Quentin agreed to the idea which Tinker gave. Chapter 6 explains about the preparing for the next day so that they can go to the lighthouse. In Chapter 7, a bunch of things that happened on the day are written, and it ends with the children leaving for the lighthouse. Chapter 8 tells how they got to the lighthouse, from the driving to the waters and rowing across the waters to get to the lighthouse. The boat which they travelled in was called Boba Boat. Chapter 9 explains that Tinker saw everything in the lighthouse and introduced everything to the children who were not him. Then, Chapter 10 tells that how they settled. They took luggages into the lighthouse and then lived there comfortably. Then, a bunch of interesting things happened. And in Chapter 19, a very nasty shock happened. Timmy, maybe it is just the poor milkman. Come with some milk again, he said, and unjammed the door. He took hold of the handle to open it. It wouldn't open. Julian pulled and tugged, but it was of no use. The door simply would not open. By this time, everyone was down beside him. Let me try, said Dick. The door must have just stuck. No, he couldn't open it either. Julian looked gravely around at everyone. I'm afraid, very much afraid, that somebody has locked us in. There was a horrified silence. Then the children was very sad, but Julian had an idea which had been running in his mind. So he and Dick went into one hole that was in the lighthouse, and they found the treasure. This is where Mischief found the coin, cried Dick. Julian, there must be a box or something up there which is rotting away and letting out the money it contains bit by bit. Whoever would have guessed such a hiding place, said Julian, marveling as he shone his torch upon his head. There's absolutely nothing to be seen except that dark hole. No box, nothing. It must have been pushed right into a recess at the side of the hole by someone who knew a good hiding place was there. Give me a leg up so that I can put in my hand and feel, said Dick. Buck up, this is too exciting for words. Hey, you showered me with money. I've never seen so many gold coins in my life. It was a treasure 1-year bill had hidden years ago. But it was a failed mission. They tried to get out of the lighthouse through the shaft, but it did not work. Two of the descendants of 1-year bill, Jacob and Ebenezer, were in that tunnel, and they chased them too, but they escaped and went into the lighthouse again. How will they get out? How will they tell everyone where the treasure is? Find out by reading famous 5 Go to the Demon's Rocks. I love this book because it explains every moment properly and carefully and has a lot of funny moments. Thank you.